Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to organize Ellie's closet and go through all of Jude's old baby clothes because my cousin is having a baby boy in May. So I'm going to be giving her some of Jude's stuff. I'm going to try not to cry while going through all of those. I've been very emotional about him turning 2 this year and him being my last baby. So that is going to be probably a hot mess, but probably not as big of a hot mess as Ellie's closet. So I made this video last year, I want to say like almost a year ago, of me going through her closet and like decluttering it. And now it's a hot mess all over again. Probably much worse than it was the first time. So this is the top of Ellie's closet. This is like a bunch of random stuff. And then this thing is just full of like storage stuff, pictures, important stuff. And then kind of hard to see because it's a little bit dark in here. But this is also just full of tons of stuff. So we got to go through all of that and clean it all up. All right, so I'm going to start by going through all of this first and getting that out of the way because that's like the biggest disaster to get through. So that's what we're going to do first. This is where it's going to get like super ridiculous and messy because I have to pull out this massive bag full of clothes. All right, so this bag is a mix of Ellie's stuff and Jude's stuff, but I'm pretty sure it's just mostly Jude's stuff. So we're going to have to go through all of this.
And guys, today I got this new Chelsea doll. She comes with a unicorn headband, a cute dress, and some purple shoes. And she comes with the puppy dog with a yellow hat and a cupcake.
Jude used to wear this all the time last year. It's so cute. I haven't even got to like the newborn stuff, and I'm already sad going through all of these cute little outfits that he had. Like this cute little blue rhino one, this cute little red one. Oh, he was wearing these like the beginning of the year last year, like just before quarantine. I'm already kind of sad. This is a little hat that I got him that he wore home from the hospital. It says his name on it. It's a definite keep. The little sloth onesies that he wore over the summer when he was a tiny baby. These are the little pajamas he came home from the hospital in. These little cookie and milk pajamas. These were so big on him. And now look at how big you are. You're so big. Remember this cute little outfit?
No, I do not. It was so cute.
It's hard to get his big head in it. It's so cute. That's one I will be giving away.
Why are you giving it away?
Oh, this is his little hat from the hospital that the hospital gave us. One of them. He has another little one that's for the youths, but this is the one that the nurse kept forcing me to keep on his head. Another little newborn onesie. Oh my god, it's so tiny.
Oh my god, I see.
Oh, he wore this one a lot too.
Oh my god, I see.
I'm having such a hard time. I feel like I can't get rid of any of his newborn stuff. Like the older, like the bigger clothes, like the 6 months and up, easy. But like newborn stuff is the hardest to get rid of because it's so tiny and it reminds me that he used to be this freaking tiny and now he's huge. I'm gonna have to keep that, I think. Here's a little Utes beanie for the U of U. So cute. This one fit his big head for a while. Like extra stretchy.
I felt you.
She's gonna be getting a lot of clothes. This, Ellie had this and then I gave it to Jude. It's just one of those like little newborn sleep gown thingies. Very special.
Alright, we're definitely doing that then.
Aww. His little hat for the the sun for the summer that he didn't get to wear very much. Because we didn't leave the house very much. Oh, it's so hard to get rid of the newborn ones, but I know my cousin's gonna need newborns too, but it's just so hard. I feel like I can't get rid of this one either. I remember the day that he wore this. It was a rough day for us. I can't get rid of it.
I knew you were going to keep it.
These are little newborn pajamas too. How can I do this? I literally am so sad. I don't know how I'm going to get rid of any of this stuff. Like, I know I have to because I have no use for it.
I can't.
But it's just, it's so hard.
I can't even, Mom. I can't even do it.
They're so tiny.
I can't. Oh my God, this is more.
Anybody else just hoard their kids' clothes? Like, he's almost 2 and I'm just now doing this, and it's very hard. These were the little shorts that Evan wore home from the hospital. I think I put Jude in them like once or twice, but this is from Evan. He kept that forever. He had like another onesie that he came home and I'll have to find it. But this was the very first thing that I bought for Ellie. We didn't know she was a boy or a girl. I was literally like still in my first trimester, and I bought this little onesie for her. Jude wore it a lot too. More discoloration. I gotta figure out how to do that and find a better way to store all of these so that doesn't happen. So if you know how to store clothes without that happening, leave me a comment and let me know how.
Oh my God. I feel like
Another cute little sloth onesie. Definitely a keeper. I love sloths. I don't think my cousin will care too much about sloths. Another little one. I have a picture of him in this with his hospital bracelet on still. Can't part with that. Can't do it.
oh my God.
This was like my favorite sloth one. I remember he was a month old and I put him in this because I couldn't wait any longer. This is like 0 to 3 months, so it was pretty big on him, but I could not wait to put him in this. And I gotta keep it because, like I said, I don't think my cousin's into the whole sloth thing, and I love sloths. So this was also Evan's. This was like one of my favorite onesies that he had, so it's a definite keeper. I'm sure eventually I will be able to narrow it down to just a couple of newborn things, but I did the same thing with Ellie as I held on to them for so long. I was able to narrow it down to keeping like 2 of Evan's outfits. I think I kept 2 of Ellie's, maybe a few more, but like it's just hard.
This is so hard.
Oh, these were Evan's little shorts. These are also a keeper. I don't think Jude ever wore those. I don't think Ellie did either. It's just part of the keep pile that I kept for Evan. Ellie wore this onesie a lot too, and so did Jude, so definitely have to keep this one. It's just so little and cute. I gotta keep it. Gotta keep it.
Oh my God, look at that dog one.
Oh, this fox one. See, this is so hard. I'm like embarrassed almost at how much I'm keeping and how sad I am. He wore this one a lot in the hospital. This was like one of my favorite onesies that we got him. It's so freaking cute. And like literally most of this stuff is like from Target. Like a lot of this is Target.
Keep it.
Definitely keeping it.
Oh my God, I see another adorable one. Oh my God, that one.
This was his hospital shirt. It has a hairball on it. Oh yeah, that's a keeper for sure.
Oh.
Little hospital shirt. I didn't even know I kept this. Oh my gosh. It doesn't smell like a baby. It smells like storage. But it's so cute. Yeah, this was like one of my favorite things of his. Like I always wanted him to wear this, but he had really bad like acid reflux. And so every time I'd put him in this, he'd barf and I'd have to change his clothes a billion times and everything. But this is like definitely one of my favorites. Definitely going to be too hard to get rid of, so also keeping this. This is the outfit that Evan wore when he came home from the hospital. This was a 0 to 3 months because people told me that like he wouldn't need newborns because they don't stay in newborns for very long, which is kind of true. But this was huge on him. He could have used newborns for at least a month. This was his original like coming home outfit, but I think he spit up on it or something. I don't know. We had to change him out of it. It was also big on him, but this is what we did. Pictures of him in the hospital. Super cute. Can't get rid of it. Probably go in like a shadow box.
I remember.
Oh, this was also another one that I had of Ellie's that came with that other like anchor one that Jude wore a lot too. So keeping that. So that was very hard, and I'm very sad, and I just want to lay in that pile of newborn clothes of his and just cry my eyes out. But I'm not going to. I'm gonna push on and get more of this done. So this was also one of my favorites. I guess like all of his newborn stuff was my favorite apparently, but this, it says little dude, and that is what I called Jude. Like my entire pregnancy I called him little dude, and I remember I walked into Carter's and I saw this and I was like, I am buying this, like I have to, because he was my little dude and now he's my big dude, my big Jude dude. Alright, here are the piles so far. This big giant pile is everything I'm giving to my cousin. This other big pile is donating, and this pile is my keep of all of the stuff I can't get rid of because it is too hard for me emotionally. So now I gotta figure out where to put all of this stuff. Alright, this is where we're at so far. Got rid of a lot of stuff out of here. Still have Jude's old car seat. This pink car seat that Ellie is playing with, I am getting rid of. This is all the clothes for my cousin. I gotta find something to put these in and find somewhere else to store them. But those are all the ones that I'm keeping. I already got rid of all the stuff that I'm donating. So now we gotta do the top of her closet. That whole mess up there.
Those are my favorite parts.
That honestly shouldn't take too long. So, I mean, the whole clothes thing took like an hour. Alright, so here's like the little bit of stuff from the top of her closet. I got like this little organizer thing to put in her closet, so some of the stuff that was up there that she would need, that she could get on her own, will just be in this little organizer, so I don't have to come get it down for her. So we got this little thing to go up in there so we can put stuff in it. Alright, we are finally done. This took almost 2 hours, which I know sounds ridiculous because it wasn't like that big of a mess. Just going through all of the clothes took the longest. Okay, time for the grand reveal of Ellie's organized closet. So, all of her clothes on this side. We have the new storage thing to clean up the top of her closet. Got her dance shoes, backpack, headphones, hats. All of that's pretty much cleared out. Car seat, some stuff too. The pack and play, and then our pool stuff. Her helmet and her witch's hat. And of course, Carl's here. But yay, it's all done, finally. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe.
See you guys next time. Bye.